Hello everyone, this is Dr. Roy, and this is the final guide video for your assignment. And this is about peer review, constructive criticism. All right. So on slide number 9, if you go to slide number 9, I have given you a guideline. How should you frame your review? Now, you need to do 3 reviews minimum. The reason for this is some of your group members, the numbers may vary. Some of you have 4, 5, or 6. So no matter how many group members you have, the task is equal. Okay, so you can choose to do more. You can choose to do 6 reviews. You can choose to do 5, but I require 3 reviews minimum from you. All right. Now let's take a look at the framework. So number 1 is the critique should be constructive and not derogatory. So the aim of this review is to help your peers improve. Okay, so they retain what is already good and they remove the bad. The aim is not to put them down. The aim is not to tell them how bad their work is. All right. So, how do you start? Start by mentioning, so use at and mention the group member whose work you are reviewing. So, at so and so, and then summarize the content in a few sentences. What was the infographic about? So, excellent. So, your infographic about this product, right? And then mentions all the industries, commerce, to mention all the dimensions. Make sure you summarize. Don't use too many words here. Okay? What is the essence of the work? In a few sentences, summarize the content. For that, mention the positives. What did you like about the project? What did you like about the infographic? Could be the color choice, could be the design, so amazing design, could be the way the infographic was made, so very engaging, could be the content clarity, so it's very easy to understand, it's very clear to read, the colors are good, the contrast is good. Okay, so what is good about the infographic? What did you like? After that, mention the negatives. What could have been better? Okay, so maybe the design choice, maybe the images they used were not of a good quality, maybe the images were too cluttered, maybe it was too much text and not enough images, maybe the font they used was not clear, maybe the content was very hard to understand, or maybe they did not follow the instructions, they did not meet the demands of industry commerce service ILOs. Maybe they did not meet the purpose and the outcome. They did their own thing. It's very common. Don't know. I know it's very common. So what could have been better? Okay. For that, give suggestions for future. So what can they do for future projects, okay, that can give them a better result? So this will be your opinion. Okay, what are your opinions? What are your suggestions to your group member, to your peer, which can help them in future? Okay, finally, so this is a very big problem when it comes to written communication. So what happens is when compared to verbal communication, the tone does not carry over. Okay, so even if you did not mean to be disrespectful, The word choices, okay, the word choices can make it sound like you are being disrespectful because the tone does not carry over, right? The voice does not carry over. So, for example, if I'm yelling at you, you can tell that I'm yelling at you because of the pitch of my voice, the way I'm shouting, right? But that does not happen with words. So when you're critiquing, be very kind, courteous, make sure that the words that you're choosing are proper, and read and see whether it's sounding respectful or not. My suggestion would be write your review at some other place, notepad, on a diary, anywhere. Read it and see the tone. Okay. Only when you're satisfied with it, only then post it on your group channel as a comment. Okay. So be very careful with this. This will come in a lot of play later on in your lives. Not later on, even now. This is going to be very helpful because written communication is a big part of any corporation, organization, or industry. It's a very, very big part. Right. So that is it on peer review. Summarize positives, negatives, suggestions for the future, and mind your tone. Okay, that is it. Hope these guides were helpful. We'll be sharing the slides with you. And of course, we are available on Discord if you have any problems, any queries. Happy Tihar, enjoy your holidays. Make sure you finish your assignment and submit it. Follow the instructions and don't stay safe. Don't take the risk, okay? Because you never know, right? Stay safe. We'll see you after the holidays.